What is going on? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today, guys, we're getting the M3 back from the shop, so I'm waiting on that. He said in about an hour or two it's gonna be ready for pickup. It's looking so good already. He's aligning the door, he's aligning the quarter panel, he's punching out the battery cover, and I think he's also aligning the front pillar for us. He's doing all that. Should be able to get it back and start assembling it, so I'm super excited for that. But in the meantime, Mohammed, my boy Payne, saved the day because I can't go anywhere. Dude, you looking hella good today. What the heck?
I always look good.
You're right. So we're just gonna go out and get something to eat, and then after that, we'll see what we're gonna be doing. We need to pick up that M3 though. Alright guys, your boy is back. Your boy is fat with your other boy. So we're full, we're ready for the day, and he's gonna go see the M3. He's gonna see the first startup because I gotta get on the trailer too. Yeah, so he hasn't even seen it start up yet, so that's even pretty exciting. So we go down there, we're gonna check out the car, see if everything's good. You lined up everything he's saying, and yeah, we gotta go over there because we gotta call the tow truck because I ain't driving that shit home. We gotta get it properly home.
I got you, bro.
Thank you,
anytime,
Habibi.
bro.
Thank you, Habibi.
Anytime, bro. No problem.
Can I get my car back?
And get on the switches.
I've been ballin' out, boy, it ain't no major. I can never switch, I can never be a hater.
Alright guys, we are here. I'm about to pick up the M3 and then I'll probably catch you guys at home because my battery's about to die. So yeah, let's just check it out. Hopefully everything's good. Alright guys, so I just finished talking with the boss over there. So super chill dude. I'm gonna go ahead and talk to him some more. I want him to hook you guys up. I'll give you his details. His prices are more than fair. Really good guy. And yeah, basically,
he's a really good guy.
Yeah, he fixed both of our cars. He's fixed my friend's Mustang. He fixed a lot of my shit. So yeah, super good guy. So if you guys want to check out his shop, if you guys want to message him, get quotes, anything, just let him know that I sent you so you can hook me up down the road with the paint job. Not a full complete, but you know, a decent deal. Because you know, as of now, I am gonna be wrapping it, and then down the road, we'll get it painted with him. So the more of you guys that want to go get your work done with him, the more money I can save. So I would appreciate you guys for that. So yeah, just mention my name, and the work is amazing, guys. You'll see when we get home. All right, guys, so we are finally home. But before we actually start showing you guys the car and everything, it is dead. So he brought it right here, completely shot. So Muhammad's actually gonna bring up his car. We're gonna jump the car. Hopefully everything works out. But in a quick second, I'm just gonna get the battery real quick because this is about to die. All right, guys, so let me go ahead and get a tripod, sit you guys up so you guys can go ahead and see the jumping operation. But yeah, look at the beast. I don't know if you guys can see her. Oh my Lord. We'll cut it back down so we can actually start the car. All right, boys, it's up. Let's go ahead and get in the garage. All right, boys, so we are home. I don't know if you guys heard the beast. Go ahead and pop up the hood. We're gonna have to replace that hood. But yeah, radiator support is on. What I had them do, you guys know that this pillar was fine. This pillar was not fine. This pillar was kinked up. It's slightly still kinked, but they said that really doesn't matter. This is lined up and everything is leveled. They put the leveler, all that is leveled, which means the hood should close properly. That's all that matters. So all this stuff is good to go, which means we're ready to start assembling the front end, which is gonna be awesome. Cannot wait. The wheels, still looking at getting some wheels. That tire is about to come off the rim. So we need to really be careful on that. But yeah, everything's coming together. What he also did, because it took a little bit longer than usual, so he hooked it up and he just did my door gap as well. So the door closes perfectly, gaps are perfect. So shout out to him for doing that. And then the final piece, of course, I don't know if you guys can see, I picked up an LCI tail light so we could go ahead and start the conversion. And at the same time, so you could do the gaps and everything. I picked up the rear bumper as well. So you guys can see, it is dirty, but it's done. 100% no longer messed up. Gaps are absolutely stunning. So shout out to him. So yeah, for now I'm wrapping it. I'm only wrapping it for 3 months just so I can enjoy Beamer Fest and all that stuff with the car. And then we're gonna get it painted after Beamer Fest. So we're gonna end up painting it that color. That's the color I wanted for the wrap. We're still deciding, but the color I'm painting it, that's the color I'm settled on because it's my dream color. It's my beautiful M3 and I want to do it. If a lot of you guys go to him for some work on your cars, and his prices are amazing, guys. I wouldn't go to him and I would not recommend it if his prices aren't fair. If you guys go to him and get some work done, he's gonna tally that up and basically he's gonna help me towards my paint job of this car. So you just gotta hook a brother up. So if you guys want to help a brother out, I'm not asking for your money. If you guys need any work done on your cars, just hit him up and he'll give me, you know, his help in the end of the day, and that would really transform my car and I would really appreciate it. Also looks like all the boys are here. We got Mohammed, Yusuf, and Ibrahim finally. He only comes when things are done. Anyway guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and start throwing together the mirror. So we got the mirror right here. We're gonna go ahead and put on the mirror, put on the what's it called? The driver's door panel. And the interior should be complete other than the dash. We'll be swapping that out for the CSE retrofit. But as of now, at least the whole pretty much from the front clip to the rear is complete. And we're gonna have to work on the front end. And then let's see what we can do today because I'm pretty psyched. Alright guys, so we just got the door, we just got the mirror on, window, has a window regulator, thank God. So the window just came up. It was kind of like lagging when it was coming up. Hopefully, the battery died soon after that. So I'm starting to think it's the battery instead of the window regulator. So hopefully it's just the battery. I need a trickle charger 100%. So probably need to throw that on here every single night with this car until I can figure out, until I get this car on the road, because as I'm working on it, I need power in the car and it just keeps dying on me. And I don't think, you know, constantly, you know, jumping it is a good thing. Now I'm missing this inner piece of the mirror. It's coming in the mail, but in the meantime, I'll at least put on the mirror caps, so at least looks more presentable. Now for the front, I have a few things I want to add on. So we have the hood latches, I gotta assemble those. I think I have a few little miscellaneous plastic pieces I gotta put all over this. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw that on. Oh, actually, we do have the crash bar, so let's go ahead and throw the crash bar on first. Alright guys, look at the beast. It's coming together, boys. You already know. Alright, it's looking really good. Hood is off. I was actually shocked I was able to do that on my own. I didn't break any of these things, so I can still reuse everything, which is perfect. And also a hint, guys, when you try to remove a hood on your own, if you don't remove this bolt, the hood will stay on, and you can just kind of just pull it up when you're ready, and honestly works perfectly. So that's actually pretty dope. I just figured that would work, and I guess that's the purpose for it. But yeah, I don't need anything off this hood besides those last two bolts I left on them right here. Now for the new hood, I'm probably gonna call my brother because I don't want to mess up the new hood, but let's go ahead and slap on the new hood. Super excited. Alright guys, so I haven't actually closed it yet, so this is going to be our first shut. Obviously everything's not going to be aligned yet, so the fenders, bumper and everything, but hopefully everything just clips in accordingly. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. I didn't even hook up the hood latches. Let's see me the next like 30, 40 minutes or an hour trying to figure out how to get this thing out. Oh, thank God. All right, boys, so far so good. Why am I not focusing in here? Look at this bad boy. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Anyways, so we gotta go ahead and pop the hood up one more time. For some reason, that's not latching. I'm thinking because the hood latch is not low enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that back up, lower down the hood latch, see if that works. And if that works, we got still a little bit more aligning to do with the hood, but we can't really perfect it till we get the rest of the panels together. So let's just go ahead and let's just go ahead and just lower down the hood latch and see if that fixes our case. Alright guys, as much as I want to go ahead and finish up the rest of this hood, the rest of this front end, I gotta head out with my family. My sister's finally home. Takes her, you know, sometimes she's not here for a couple weeks, so my sister's home. So my parents want to go out and eat as a family, which is completely understandable. Yeah, so that pretty much concludes today. I'm probably gonna get to work on this tomorrow. Let's go ahead and see if this thing closes once again. And that looks good, that looks solid, that looks amazing, boys. So we're coming so close. Car starts up, car runs, rear end is finished. Front end is in the making. You guys, I'm honestly thinking we're gonna get this thing on the road sooner than I was expecting. Alright guys, so I'm actually at the end of the video. I was gonna actually make this video a little bit longer than it was supposed to be, because you know, we got the baby back and we want to do as much things to it as possible. So the plan for next video is to get most of the front end together, which I'm super excited about. We got the hood on there, we aligned a lot of things on the front end, so we're honestly ready to put on the fenders, the bumper, and all that stuff. So hopefully in the next video, guys, make sure to smash the like button. In the meantime, make sure to check out the shop down below. If you guys check out the shop and you guys, you know, get some work done with him, let him know that you guys came from me. Tell him, yo, I saw Nour's channel. You know, I just wanted to let you know. That'd be great, because if you guys can just let him know that you're coming from me and you get some service done with him, he can hook me up with the paint job, because I just want to show you guys the fender. I'm not saying he's gonna hook me up with a free paint job. He's gonna hook me up with a really good paint job, a really cheap paint job. As you guys can see, this is Interlagos blue. I really just can't say that. I can't say it. I practiced so many times. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. It's just such a beautiful color. It's my dream color, and that's what I want to paint the M3. I want to paint it all in that color. That'd be insane. Put some black wheels on it. Something crazy. You know, that's like my dream. It's this classy look. And that's what I've always seen. It's always how I envision my M3. So hopefully one day we can do that. If you guys need any work, just check him out down below. Message him, contact him, get to work done with him, and just let him know. And that's all I ask. So without further ado, don't want to nag on you guys too much. I know a lot of you guys want to get to your own builds. So enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Enjoy your Saturday. Enjoy it with your families. Remember to stay humble, guys. Yeah, love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.